Teddy, who's sitting by you? Who's that?
Mama.
What's he doing there?
Mama.
Omar, you get down from there, mister.
Mama.
Teddy, what do you say to Omar?
Mama.
Omar, where's Greta? Greta. Greta Lou. Yeah, she's digging. What are you having for supper, sweetie?
Then.
Oh, chicken. And what's this?
Nuts.
Asparagus.
And then.
And what's this?
I do.
Sweet potato. What's this?
Our.
Wawa, yeah.
And.
You's all done? Yep. That's a good idea. You have a little bit more sweet potato. Good job. Is it pretty good, dinner?
And.
Oh, you like the chicken, huh? Good job using your fork.
Dada. Dada.
Oh, yep, that's Greta. She's in the laundry room. Can you say Greta? Oh, who's that?
Dada.
Greta.
Dada. Dada.
Greta. Yes.
Dada.
Greta, what are you doing? Oh, Omar! Omar, get down. Get down. Sorry, Omar was on the counter. Teddy, what did you dream about today during your nap? Did you?
Papa.
Oh, you dreamed about Grandpa. Oh, Dad's home. Bye. You're back. Dad's home.
Dada.
Dada. We were talking about what Teddy was dreaming about during naps today.
Pop.
What are you dreaming about?
Teddy, did you dream about the river? What?
Oh,
Tractor.
you did?
Tractor.
And the tractor?
Of course.
Did you dream about the four-wheeler?
No.
Did you dream about the swing? Oh, you did. Swing, yep. Did you dream about the moon? Oh, you did. Oh, and cats? Oh, you dreamed about Omar.
Dada.
And Dada.
Um.
And Mom.
And.
Oh, we're all done?
Papa.
Okay, have a little Wawa. Let's see. Ooh, your eyes are pretty. Ooh, your eyes are pretty. Ooh, your eyes are pretty. Ooh, your eyes are pretty.
Papa. Hugs.
There's a camera.
Papa.
Honey,
He's not in there.
yeah, he's not in here. Bye-bye.